Are you ready to explore the game-changing Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G? With cutting-edge performance and a sleek design, this smartphone redefines what you expect in a mid-range device. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a multitasking pro, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is something for everyone. Let's dive into its standout features and see why it's taking the market by storm. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G features a stunning 6.67-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. Its 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and immersive gaming, while the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 provides excellent durability and protection against scratches and drops. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 South Gen 3 chipset, this smartphone offers exceptional performance with its octa-core CPU, clocking up to 2.5 GHz, and an Adreno GPU for smooth graphics. Built on a 4nm process, the processor ensures energy efficiency and seamless multitasking. The device comes with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and offers storage options of 256GB or 512GB UFS 2.2, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. However, it does not support expandable storage, so users need to choose the storage variant wisely. The 200MP Pro Grade AI main camera with optical image stabilization most delivers stunningly detailed photos and stable videos. Even in low light, it is complemented by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing more in a single frame, and a 2MP macro lens for close-up shots. The 16MP front camera ensures sharp and vibrant selfies for social media enthusiasts. Equipped with a 5110 mAh battery, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G offers long-lasting usage. The 120W HyperCharge technology enables rapid charging, ensuring the device is ready for action in minutes. The smartphone runs on Android 14, layered with HyperOS, offering an optimized user experience, better battery management, and customizable features. The device supports 5G connectivity, along with Wi-Fi 6/6E for fast internet speeds. It also includes Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an infrared blaster, making it a versatile choice for modern connectivity needs. The stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support provide an immersive audio experience, enhancing music, movies, and gaming. However, the phone does not include a 3.5mm headphone jack, requiring users to rely on wireless or USB-C headphones. The device includes an under-display optical fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking and face unlock functionality for added convenience. Priced at approximately £399, €499.90, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G offers excellent value for its features. It was launched in China in September 2024 and became available in Europe as of January 2025. From its stunning camera to unparalleled performance, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G stands out as a must-have smartphone in 2025. Don't miss your chance to upgrade to the future of mobile technology. Let us know in the comments which feature excites you the most. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews on Tech Talk.